All right, welcome back. We are in Khan Academy on Algebra 1, and our unit is Quadratics Multiplying and Factoring. This is the skill we're working on, multiply binomials area model. So, it tells us to express the area of this entire rectangle, and they tell us specifically your answer should be a polynomial in standard form. So, a polynomial in standard form has the sum of the monomials, that's a polynomial, so that the first term has the highest exponent, and then the exponents descend from there. So we'll get to that. The area of a rectangle, you recall, is length times width, or height times width. So here we have this rectangle that's made of x plus 4 for the height, and x plus 2 for the width. So we can express the area as x plus 4 times x plus 2, like this. Now, we want to, if we are going to expand this so that we can have a polynomial in standard form instead of factored form, we need to use the distributive property. X times both of these things plus 4 times both of these things, and that'll look like this. X times x plus, and I'm going to you don't have to do this, but I underline them so I remember what things I've multiplied. I just did x times x. Now I'm going to do x times 2. That's 2x. I'm done multiplying this x times these things because there are two things to multiply it by, and I have underlined it twice. Now I'm going to go on to this 4. Plus 4 times x is 4x, plus 4 times 2 is 8. Now, we're going to combine like terms, simplify, so x times x can be written x squared, that's this part. 2x plus 4x is 6x, that's this and this, and plus 8. So now I have my polynomial that represents the area of this rectangle, and it's in standard form because my exponents descend from 2 to 1 to 0. X to the 0 is 1. So now, before we enter that answer, look at what it means visually. X squared is right here. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. That's here. 2 times x. 4 times x is the green, and 4 times 2 is 8. So our area of each component rectangle is what we get when we do the distributive property, and then with some algebra we simplify it to this final answer, x squared plus 6x plus 8. X squared plus 6x plus 8. And we're done with that one. Let's do this one. Express the area of the entire rectangle. Polynomial in standard form, so we're going to get x times x is x squared. 3 times x is 3x. X times 8 is 8x. And 3 times 8 is 24. So when we write that in standard form, we get the first term has the highest exponent, x squared. Then we have 3 x's and another 8 x's, that's 11 x's. And then we have positive 24. So x squared plus 11x plus 24. X squared plus 11x plus 24. And we'll do one more. Now, remember the title says multiply binomials. Let me pause on that. A binomial, bi, like bicycle, means 2, right? So a monomial has one product. A polynomial has however many products you want, however many monomials added together. A binomial is a special case of a polynomial where you've got two monomials. So X is a monomial, 6 is a monomial, x plus 6 is a binomial, x plus 2 is a binomial. That's why it says we're multiplying binomials, okay? So again, we could write this out, x plus 6 times x plus 2, and multiply x times x is x squared, plus x times 2 is 2x, plus 6 times x is 6x, plus 6 times 2 is 12, and then when we combine 2x and 6x, we get 8x. X squared plus 8x plus 12, and we're done.